In just about 24 hours, the storm will make impact in Acadiana. Let's join Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo standing by. Rob, tell us what we need to know as of 10 o'clock.
Well, Laura is strengthening and may be going through a rapid intensification cycle. Pressure has dropped from 990 millibars earlier today, now down to 978. And we're seeing this cold central dense overcast building over the top of the storm. And more than likely, we're going to see an eye beginning to develop and show up on the satellite imagery as the night wears on. Here's the latest now with 90-mile-per-hour winds, still Category 1, but on its way to Category 2 as the pressure has dropped significantly. It was at 983 at 7 o'clock. 3 hours later, 978. So pressure dropping. It's intensifying, moving to the west-northwest at 17. Gusts up to 115. Here's the latest forecast track. Nudged just a little bit to the east, maybe by about 20 or 25 miles. Expected to be a Cat 3 near landfall with 120-mile-per-hour winds. Now, mind you, Category 4 is getting into the 131 range, so you're going to have to watch that very closely. It's going to be an intense hurricane as it makes landfall, and that's going to pound southwest Louisiana. And again, then still a Category 1. Look at this in the northern part of the state, and we're going to be on the messy side of things where the heavy rains and big storm surge are going to be, and that's going to be the key. Is first off, it's going to be a high impact storm surge. I got to change this graphic now 9 to 14 feet per the National Hurricane Center. No surprise. And then you're going to have higher watermarks, and this is going to be very similar to Hurricane Rita in just about every aspect. Flood watch, 5 to 10 inches of rain likely for most of Acadiana, up to 15. We'll show you the latest flood analysis and the wind forecast. We'll have that coming up. Plan on everyone in Acadiana. Everybody wants to know where it's going to be, what it's going to be at my location. 30 to 50 with gusts up to 65 to 75, maybe 80, 100-mile-per-hour gusts towards southwest Louisiana. And that means power outages widespread going into tomorrow night, probably around midnight, give or take a few hours, and then through at least early Thursday. Of course, we'll have very much more coming your way, including specific rainfall and wind gusts at your location, or at least the forecast at your location, coming up in just a bit.